So now please make the steps, those who are going to be formally be admitted into the Brahma Madhva Gaurya Vaishnav Sampradaya just now. Come please offer your obeisance to His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada, to Sri Sri Gaurnitai, Radha Govinda Madhav, Krishna Balaram, and then just come and wait, and when you're called to your Diksha Guru, and then you'll be asked what are the principles, regulated principles. Please rehearse them now, don't get nervous and forget, as sometimes happens. And how many rounds you have to chant, and then you'll receive beads and a name. So, you're just writing down the names now? Okay. So you know who you are. Please do the needful, as just requested. Yeah. Please, you're all sitting here? Okay. Please come offer obeisance. Almost all the names I'm giving today are names that Srila Prabhupada gave to disciples. So you'll get a name that Srila Prabhupada gave, the name of a Prabhupada disciple, name of the Supreme Lord. So please say 4 regulated principles.
Eating, no illicit relationship, no gambling, no intoxication.
Yeah, the wife helps. Huh? You have to tell him not to take intoxication? Is it? Maybe we have to reconsider here. Anyway, the wife is strong, can help him. And how many rounds does he have to chant every day, minimum? You say. 16 rounds, okay. So the name is Rama Lakshman Das. All right.
No gambling, no meat eating,
yeah.
No intoxication, no illicit.
Okay. And how many rounds?
Minimum 16.
All right, I'm giving you a name which was given by Srila Prabhupada to a disciple in Edinburgh. The name means the divine words. Alipta Vani Devidasi. They're from, they're stationed in Edinburgh, in Scotland. So this is the name that Srila Prabhupada gave in Edinburgh. Did you know that devotee at all? Alipta Vani? No. Did you go to Edinburgh when we had a centre there?
I did go to Edinburgh, but I cannot remember anyone.
Of that. Hare Krishna. So please next come, Corinne, is that how you pronounce it? Okay. Corinne Mataji. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Now, translation, will we need? I think so, just to get it right. You can translate, all right. So, please ask her to say the 4 regulative principles. I can probably understand.
I promise to follow
Okay.
4 regulative principles: no meat, no fish, no eggs, no intoxication, no gambling, no illicit sex. I
How many rounds?
I promise to chant 16 rounds
Minimum.
every day.
Jai. That's the longest sentence she ever spoke in English. But she can't follow. So this is again a name that Srila Prabhupada gave. Bhuta Mata Devidasi. Which means the mother of all living beings.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Then Mataji Irina, please come. Can you sit like this? And you'll speak in English, isn't it? Yeah. So, please say 4 regulated principles.
No eating, no intoxication, no gambling, and no illicit sex.
All right. Then, how many?
Chanting, it's minimum 16 rounds.
Daily. So again, this is a name given by Srila Prabhupada. Atita Gamana Devidasi. This is a name from Radhika Sahasranam, a name of Radharani, which means she who moves very gracefully. Hare Krishna. Then, is this pronounced Dagmar? Is it? Anyway, you know. I know who you are. Yeah, it's okay. Close enough. So, please say.
So I promise to follow 4 regulated principles: no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, and no illicit sex.
And minimum, how many rounds? You don't have, are these new neck beads?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They're already soaked, looks like. Again, as all the names so far, it's a name given by Srila Prabhupada. Leela Manjari Devidasi. Hare Krishna. Champaka. Female form, yeah. Then Mataji Julia, please come. Leela Manjari, I think you can understand. It's a gopi in the pastimes, Vrindavan pastimes. Hare Krishna. So please say 4 regulated principles.
I promise that I will follow 4 regulated principles: no illicit sex, no gambling, no meat eating, no intoxication.
How many rounds?
Minimum 16 rounds every day.
Jai. Champaka Devidasi. Oh, keep the curtain open, please. I was told it's up till 12 o'clock. We have to do in front of the deities. Yeah. So those of you who live in India know very well what champak is. A beautiful flower that's very pleasing to Krishna. It's a, Champaka is a gopi name also. A name given by Srila Prabhupada. Okay, one more. Is Elena. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Can you say in English? Yes. Okay. Jai.
No meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling, no illicit relationships.
And how many rounds minimum?
Minimum 16 rounds daily.
Jai. Chapala Devidasi. Chapala is the name of Lakshmi, it's the name of a gopi in Vrindavan. It also can mean lightning, and the basic meaning is restless, something like chanchala. Chapala, this is Chapala. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Finished for now. Finished giving initiations today. So chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Hare Krishna.